Let me show you how to disable swipe to open camera on your iPhone lock screen. I'll also show you how to remove the camera shortcut on your lock screen. Now, first we need to head into the settings app of your iPhone and make sure you're updated to the latest version. Keep in mind this is only a feature in iOS 26.1, so update your iPhone if you haven't already. Now, after we've done that, it's fairly easy to do this because it's a new setting in the camera section. All you need to do is find where it says lock screen swipe to open camera. Now, I'll show you how it works. If I lock my iPhone and I swipe over, you'll be able to see it doesn't work to open up the camera. I can still press and hold on that camera icon to open it up. And if you ever wanted to remove that, you can just press and hold on your iPhone screen here, and then go to customize and remove that camera icon at the bottom right if you don't want anyone to access your camera without unlocking it first.